Welcome to this overview of using Slack at Code Your Future. In this video we will cover 1. How you can participate in a large community on Slack. 2. How to work in channels. 3. How and why you should always post in threads. 4. Why you should not direct message people on Slack. 5. How to mention people and what this is for. 6. How we can all manage being in such a large community on Slack without going mad. Code Your Future has 2 Slack workspaces and thousands of active members. Our Slacks have hundreds of channels. There are too many channels to read them all. It's a good idea just to join the channels relating to your role at Code Your Future. But remember, other people are reading different channels. We all have different sets of incomplete information. When we make posts on Slack, we need to give context and provide links, because we cannot assume that other people know what we know, or have seen what we have seen. Our job is to exchange our sets of incomplete information to improve our understanding. Every day, over 2,000 messages are sent on our Slack. Because there are so many messages, it's vital that you post in threads. Slack has a help center. It explains threads and many other things about using Slack. And our Code Your Future documentation clearly explains how and why we use threads, channels, mentions, and searching. It covers most of the things in this video and more besides. By now you have realized why you should not direct message on Slack. There are too many people. For example, there is only one member of staff running Tech Ed worldwide at Code Your Future. So a direct message will probably get you a canned response asking you to use a channel. Staff even use these canned responses with each other. This is another example of the challenge of incomplete information. When everybody direct messages one person, nobody can discover that other people have the same problem. We create a massive pointless bottleneck. If we all talk to each other in a channel, we can resolve our problems more efficiently. So you've got a question and you've searched Slack. You've looked in the pinned posts in your channel. You've looked in the documentation. But you still really need to find out an answer to a question. What do? For every question that is not private, make a post in a suitable channel. Give as much context as you can, and make as few assumptions as possible. Remember, our goal is to exchange our different sets of incomplete information. As Slack is searchable, by doing this we are building up a knowledge base for everybody. If you think you need a specific person to help you, use the @mention tag to alert them to your post. Mentions show up as a notification in Slack, just like direct messages. But the advantage is that other people can also see your question, so your question helps everybody with their incomplete set. Type and then the name. You don't need to use the mention tag every time you use someone's name. It's only when you want to call that person. Think of it like knocking on their door, or sending them a letter. In conclusion, talk in Slack in public channels. Keep direct messages only for private conversations about things like medical or legal situations. Get good at stating questions clearly, as this is a developer superpower and will help you succeed in tech. Thank you for watching this overview of using Slack at Code Your Future. There's a lot more help on our docs and on our Slack. Good day.